You ever get the feeling that there are hidden messages all around you? In news articles, textbooks, maybe even the instructions for your new gadget? Well, today, we are going to become text detectives. So grab your magnifying glass because we're about to learn how to read nonfiction, not just for what it says, but for what it's actually doing.
Okay, first things first. Let's get our facts straight. It's actually pretty simple. If fiction is all about made-up stories, then nonfiction is the real deal. We're talking about writing based on real life, real facts, real information. It's the world as it is, not how someone imagined it. And seriously, you see this stuff everywhere, from the news you scrolled through this morning to that biography you've been meaning to read. Heck, even the instruction manual for that new coffee maker, that's nonfiction, and each one has a specific mission, and our job is to figure out exactly what that is. And that, right there, is the crucial point. Every single piece of nonfiction is on a mission. It's trying to do something to you. It might be trying to explain an idea, inform you about an event, describe a place, teach you a skill, or, and this is a big one, persuade you to believe something. This is always our first clue in any investigation.
So, if we're going to be detectives, well, we're going to need a toolkit, right? And ours contains 7 key questions. These are the tools we'll use to take apart any text and uncover what the writer is really trying to achieve.
So how do we actually use this toolkit? I mean, it's not about just reading the words on the page. It's about interrogating them, looking for all the little clues that every writer leaves behind.
And here they are, the 7 essential tools for our investigation. We've got purpose, audience, main idea, organization, techniques, tone, and finally, effect. Let's break them down and see how they all work together.
Every good investigation starts with the basics. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty details, we need to understand the scene. We're looking for the who, what, and why of the text.
Our very first question is always this: what is the purpose? Why was this even written? Is a news article just trying to inform you? Is a political speech trying to persuade you? The purpose is the writer's motive, and finding it is our #1 objective.
Next up, we have to identify the audience. Who is this text for? Is it for experts, the general public, students? This is such a critical clue because the intended audience changes almost every single choice the writer makes, from the words they use to the tone they take.
All right, now for our third tool, finding the main idea. This is where we really have to be sharp. We have to separate the general topic from the writer's specific message. And believe me, that's a crucial distinction.
For example, the topic might be something really broad, like plastic pollution, but the writer's message, that's what they want you to think or do about it. In this case, it's, we must reduce plastic use. See the difference? One is what it's about, the other is the point it's trying to make.